What's happening, LinkedIn fam? Anthony Chan Smith here from Simple Creative Marketing. And I wanted to ask you, do you have any of these goals when it comes to producing content on LinkedIn? First of all, number one, are you wanting to get consistent with posting content to reach your target audience by having a weekly posting plan? Are you wanting to grow your following by putting out relevant messages to educate and inform your target audience? Do you want to remove writer's block and stop wondering, what will I post about today? Do you want to identify what types of posts are actually working best for you on LinkedIn and what's really resonating with your audience so that you can do more of the same? And finally, do you want to identify if you're actually reaching the right audience with your content? Well, if you answered yes to any of those things, then this video is for you. I want to introduce you to my LinkedIn content plan and post performance tracker, a new template I've created in Notion and releasing today for those who want help with growing their LinkedIn audience. Okay, so let me just zoom out here and I'm going to show you what I've been working on. So I found the best way to tackle all of these challenges is to actually have a plan, right? So you really want to have some kind of daily posting plan or a weekly plan, a content plan. And then in addition to the plan, you want to have some kind of tracking, some way to measure and keep up to date with what's working for you and what's not working for you. So I put all of these things into a template here, and I've actually been using this for the last month to really just see how I've been going. And so the way it works is we have a table here, which is your daily themes. This is your plan. Okay. And so essentially what you want to do is you start off with, okay, for each day of the week, you can add weekends if you want to. And this is all editable, by the way, so you can actually come in and edit as you want. And then you identify what theme you want to talk about on each specific day. And then you want to write down in here what examples, or what type of content, give some examples of what type of content you might post relating to that theme, right? So, so for example, on Tuesday, I talk about business strategy typically. So then I'll talk about copywriting tips or business writing, because that's obviously what I do as a professional. On Wednesday, I have a promotional day or promo day, which is where I typically will share a podcast interview that I've done on someone else's podcast. I might do a demonstration of a tool that I'm using, or I might share a blog post that I've written, right? So these are some ideas for you just to get your brain thinking, but start with your theme and then some examples. And then that way you already have your plan. So you know, okay, on Thursday, you don't need to think about what am I posting today. You look at your plan here and you stick to the plan, okay? And so that helps build consistency. And it also lets your audience know and come to expect over time what it is that you'll be posting about, all right? So that's your content plan. And then once you have the plan, then you want to have a way to track what's working, what's not working. And I go from the themes, I copy and paste them into here. Now, you'll notice the themes here are different because I've been testing different themes for the last couple of weeks. But then once you have your themes, then you can brainstorm, okay, what topics will I write about or post about in relation to those particular themes on each specific day. So I've got the dates here, and then I've got, okay, on July 6th, right, so which was a Tuesday, the theme was B2B marketing, and I'm going to write about the 5 habits of effective marketers, okay? So that's what I did. I posted the link. After I made the post, I put it in here, copied the link into this tracker, and then I started to track a number of views on that post, number of comments, and I've got also some notes. Some notes here on hashtags that I've used and things like that. So this is a really good way for you to, stay on top of what is it that you've been sharing, what's working, what's been performing well, what hasn't been performing so well. You can also make notes around whether you put text posts, video, PDF file, poll, whatever it is that you're testing out. And then you can see, oh, look, polls are really working really well right now. And you can create more of those, right? Because you know that's what's resonating with your audience, all right? And then further down here, I've also got a video here which will show you how you can actually use LinkedIn. There's a function in there where you can actually see for each post what audience is actually consuming that content. And then, so there's a quick video in here. You can open this up and that will show you all you need to know there. Okay, so that's it. If you're interested in grabbing this template, there's some more stuff in here as well. Let me know in the comments, just type template and I'll share a link with you. See you soon.